fight isn't over. The fight is just beginning.
What's going on, guys? This is Carl at the Racer Road channel. Today I'm riding my 2010 Gas TXT 280 Pro. This is a trials bike, and it is a really fun bike to ride, but it has its quirks. It's a very different bike to ride, that's for sure. The shifter is way out in front of you because it's not made to shift very often. The gas tank is small, it has no seat, it's very lightweight, and it's designed to get over obstacles that most bikes just wouldn't be able to get over. Trials started in 1910, or right around there, in Scotland. And of course, back then, they just rode regular bikes around for the most part, on grass tracks and stuff like that, nothing real serious. But in 1960, trials bikes became way more specialized as Anthony Miller decided to put a steeper rake angle on his front fork and gave it a tighter turn radius. And by the 1970s, trials bikes were taking off, and Bull Taco led the way on that. Bull Taco was one of the leading trials bikes, and eventually they became so refined that they lost their seats and became a very specialized bike that you wouldn't just take out on a regular ride for the most part. This one's getting better and better as I ride it today. I think I had some gas that wasn't the greatest in it. But I also mixed my gas 32 to 1, and these bikes take a leaner mixture. They want a real thin gasoline going through them. So these jets are made for that, and once you have a thick mixture of oil and gas like I've got in this, it's hard for it to fit that through the jets. And so off idle, this bike isn't quite running the way it should. But these bikes are a good tool for enduro. Teaches you balance, teaches you to ride slow because that's the only option it gives you. And it has the steep rake angle of the forks, just like back in the 1960s, although it's even more so today. And of course, this one doesn't have the seat. It's got a very small braking system, very small disc brake, very small rear disc brake. This is a 2-stroke, but they've made 4-strokes super lightweight as well. That's one of the many evolutions of trials bikes, is that they were able to make 4-strokes and 2-strokes both be light enough to be a trials bike. There's that. See, it wouldn't do that normally, but I've got 32 to 1 mixture in there, and it's not liking it very much. It was predicted several times that trials would become more popular than motocross, and that clearly never came to fruition, but these bikes are still semi-popular. In the United States, they've got a long way to go, but when it comes to Europe, they are still very popular. In England, trials riding is still very much alive. And who knows, maybe in Scotland they are as well. I could just imagine a bunch of Scots riding trials bikes in their kilts, 1910. I did this climb earlier and it was a little bit sketchy. I'm getting way more used to this bike. I just haven't been riding it at all. right now it has been killing the engine, which is a bit of an annoyance, but we'll get rid of that issue. Anyways guys, this is the Gas Trials bike. I'm just gonna go right around and explore around, practice some balancing drills, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.